Meaning of diametrical.
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 Diametrical. Diametrical refers to something that is completely opposite or contrary. It is often used to describe two things that are positioned at opposite ends of a spectrum or scale. For example, two people could have diametrically opposed views on a particular topic, meaning that their opinions are fundamentally different and cannot be reconciled. In physics, the term can also refer to the diameter of a circle. Overall, diametrical implies a strong contrast or contradiction between two things.